नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रमैत्रिणींनो. गुड मॉर्निंग. टुडे we will learn the second chapter, real numbers, and in this chapter we will learn today surd. Now what is surd? See first the definition of surd. If n is an integer greater than 1, n is an integer greater than 1. A is positive real number. A is positive real number. A is real number. N is integer. And nth root of A, this sign is irrational number. Nth root of A is irrational number. Then n is an integer greater than 1. A is positive real number. And nth root of A is irrational number. Then this number is called a surd. In this surd, see, there are three signs. First n, second a, and third this radical sign. In this definition, this n is called order of the surd. A is called a radicand, and this sign is called radical sign. Again, see the definition. If n is an integer greater than 1 and if a is positive real number, nth root of a is called a surd. Nth root of a is irrational number. In this symbol, n is called order of the surd, a is called radicand, and this root sign is called radical sign. See, simplest form of the surd means if the radicand has no common factor, which is the nth power of a rational number, the radicand is not a fraction, and n is the least order of the surd, then the form of the surd is simplest form. Then similar surd means when order of the surd and radicand in the surd is same, mean a ची व्हॅल्यू आणि a ची व्हॅल्यू आणि n ची व्हॅल्यू जर सेम असेल तर त्या सर्डला आपण सिमिलर सर्ड म्हणतो और लाईक सर्ड म्हणतो. वी कॅन कंपेअर लाईक सर्ड्स. Comparison of quadratic surd, we can compare quadratic surds and we can make operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on like surds. By finding out rationalizing factor of the surd, we can rationalize the surd also. This we will see in solving examples, then your idea will be clear about surd. See in practice set 2.3, in first question, state the order of the surd. See in definition here, in nth root of a, n is order of the surd. In first example, cube root of 7 is given and order of this surd means here value of n is 3, so order is 3. या रॅडिकल साईनच्या आतमध्ये इथे जी संख्या असते त्याला आपण ऑर्डर म्हणतो. या ठिकाणी क्यूब रूट आहे, 3 ही संख्या आहे. सो दिस इज ऑर्डर ऑफ द सर्ड. ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ड is 3. In second example, 5 into, now this 5 is into root 12. या ठिकाणी 5 बाजूला आहे, या रॅडिकल साईनच्या आतमध्ये नाहीत. सो इट इज मल्टिप्लाय बाय. ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस सर्ड, ज्या ठिकाणी ऑर्डर लिहिलेली नसते ते क्वाड्रॅटिक सर्ड असतं आणि त्याची ऑर्डर नेहमी 2 असते. या पद्धतीचं जे सर्ड आहे याची ऑर्डर 2 आपण नेहमी लिहायची आहे. या ठिकाणी कुठलीही संख्या नसल्यामुळे ती 2 आपण गृहीत धरतो आणि त्याची ऑर्डर 2 आहे असं लिहितो. तिसऱ्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये 4th रूट ऑफ 10. हिअर in radicand sign this value of n is 4. So order of this surd is 4. In next example, square root of 39. Again root sign is there, so order is 2. Order of this surd is 2. In next example, cube root of 18. Here cube root is there, so order या ठिकाणी 3 आहे. Order of this surd is 3. In second question, state which of the following are surds. See in question number 2. By using definition we can decide whether the given example is of surd or not. Cube root of 51. See here, n is 3. Compare with the definition. Here n is greater than 1. Positive this is n is greater than 1. 3 ही संख्या एक अपेक्षा मोठी असल्यामुळे ऑर्डर पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, ग्रेटर दॅन 1 आहे. a इज पॉझिटिव्ह रिअल नंबर. 51 हा एशी कंपेअर या एक्झाम्पल डेफिनेशनमध्ये कंपेअर केलं तर एची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी 51 आहे. सो इट इज पॉझिटिव्ह रिअल नंबर अँड दिस होल क्वांटिटी क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51 इज इरॅशनल नंबर. सो ऑल द 3 कंडिशन आर सॅटिस्फाईड. सो दिस इज अ सर्ड, एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सर्ड. In second example, 4th root of 16. See, we can write this 16 as 2 raised to 4. See, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. So we can write this as 4th root of 2 raised to 4. See here 4 order is same, so we can write this as 2. So this is not irrational number. 2 is rational number and therefore 4th root of 16 is a rational number and therefore this is not a surd. In third example, cube root of 81. See, n is positive, integer greater than 1, 81 is positive. This is whole quantity is irrational number and therefore this is a example of surd. In 4th root of 256, we can write this as square root of 256 is 16 and 16 is not irrational number, it is a rational number and therefore this is a rational number and therefore this is not a surd. This is not a surd. In 5th example, cube root of 64. we can write this as cube root of 64. We can write this as 4 raised to 3, and this is equal to 4. This 3 is same, so this is 4, and therefore this is a rational number, means cube root of 64 is a rational number, and therefore this condition is not satisfied here. Nth root of a is irrational number. This condition is not satisfied, and therefore this is not example of surd. This is not a surd. So this example cube root of 64 is not a surd. Sixth, square root of 2 by 7. See, this is a surd because n is 2 here, which is positive, greater than 1. 22 by 7 is positive, and this whole number square root of 22 upon 7 is irrational number, and therefore this is a surd, example of a surd. So write down question 1 and 2 in your notebook also. In next lecture we will see question number 3.